You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -13/24. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 4x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 13/3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the 0 numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 8. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -13/24.